here, or on the corners over there. Greetings on the upper level, everyone. This is Dario, your head maitre d' on behalf of your amazing dining room service team, who is just about to come out with the fiery desserts. Yeah, baked Alaska is going to come into the house, so beware of the fire around. And of course, as of last night, we have a little showtime to do. So sit back and enjoy. I give you the best of the 7 Seas. Amazing dining room service team coming out. It's a showtime!
Good morning, everyone. Today is that day, debarkation day. Time to go home. We're slowly getting packed up. Say hi, Aaron.
Hi.
Aaron's feeling a little sluggish this morning. Look at this beautiful view of Miami, and looky there, another Carnival cruise ship coming in. And there, my friends, is the Carnival Liberty. Interesting. Haven't sailed her yet. So I have to say, we have had an amazing cruise. Learned a lot since we have not cruised in over 800 something days. And we'll be on another cruise here soon. Just not sure when, where, but we are currently looking. Alright, everyone, so it's time to say goodbye to stateroom 1120, leaving the beautiful Carnival Sunrise. They just did a final announcement. Everyone has to be off the ship by
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. So we are on our way. Catch our shuttle to the Miami airport.
See you soon.
Felipe! We had a good time. Thank you. And now we are officially off the ship. Alright guys, we made it out of the terminal. We are doing airport transfer through Carnival, called Academy Bus, back to the Miami airport so we can get home.